What are you girls doing? Reagan's hiding in last year's jammies. Lainey, is Megan making you happy? Two little monkeys jumping on the bed. What'd you find, Lainey? There's beautiful Reagan. What are you doing? Don't fall down. What are you going to do next week? Next week is Thanksgiving. You're going to make cookies? Where are you going to make cookies? At Lolly's? At her house or where? Which house? What?
It can't be yet.
What is that?
Lolly's house.
Oh, Columbia. But what about the lake? What do you think, Lainey? What are you thankful for? What are you thankful for?
Mama.
Mama? Yeah? You're thankful for Mama? What about Dada? Mama. What about Dada? You thankful for Dada? Hey, where's Sissy? Lainey, where's Sissy? Where's Sissy? Where's Reagan? Where's Reagan? Yeah, you're right. She is there. There she is.
I was hiding.
Where's Mama? Where's Passy? Yeah, there you go.
There's
Pap.
Two
Two Passies.
Why do you bought for two Passies?
Because if we lose one, we want to have another.
This one.
Reagan, where do you want to go when Lainey wakes up from nap?
At the bookstore.
You want to go to the bookstore? What are you going to do at the bookstore?
There's kind of a choo-choo train there.
There's kind of a choo-choo train there? Well, cool. Do you kind of want to play with it? Yes. Well, why don't we let Lainey go to sleep, and you and I can go put your clothes on and do your hair.
Well, I'm going to turn the light.
The what?
See? I'm a big sister.
You are a big sister.
Goodbye, Addie. Oh, this is not on.
Oh, here, Mom will help.